Hey YouTube, what's up? My name is Davinston Constant. I'm a Jamaican-based photographer. I do video production and graphic designing as well. Today I want to talk about the cost of photography gear in Jamaican dollars. And interestingly, did you know that an item that is sold in the US for say $1, we would have to buy for 120 Jamaican dollars, at least 120 Jamaican dollars. Interesting, isn't it? I'll explain right after the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If it's your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing. Please leave a comment and also like the video. Today I'm going to be talking about, as I said earlier, the cost of photography equipment, mainly photography equipment in Jamaican dollars. So the cost of purchasing these equipment using Jamaican currency, alright? Today I'm also going to be using some of the very equipment that I personally own and use for my projects like weddings and so on. I'm going to be starting today with this is the Sony a7R II. This camera is currently being sold on Amazon for about $1,800, and in Jamaican currency, get this, in the Jamaican currency, we would have to find $216,000 in Jamaican current dollars to buy this camera. Alright, so next up we have the Canon 6D Mark II. It's a very nice camera for taking photos, and this camera is currently being sold on Amazon for $1,300, between $1,200 and $1,300. However, to purchase this camera using Jamaican currency, you would need $156,000. Yes, $156,000 just to get the camera body alone. All right. Next up, I'm going to be talking about the lenses, and I'm going to begin with one of the lenses that I have for the Canon camera. Now, this is the Sigma 35mm 1.4 art lens, and this is made for Canon. This lens is currently being sold for $650 US, and to get this we would need to find 78,000 Jamaican dollars. All right. Next up we have the Sony 24-70 f4. I use this. I love this lens. I use it mainly for my video projects on my stabilizers. This lens is currently being sold for $900, and we would need 108,000 Jamaican dollars to purchase this lens. All right. Next up we have this bad boy here. This is the Sony 85mm 1.8. Now this lens is currently being sold for $600 US, and to get this you would need 72,000 Jamaican dollars to purchase. All right. I still got more. And now this is the Sony 50mm 1.4 Zeiss. There was some noise. Okay, it's gone. Please excuse the noise. I'm actually sitting on my back patio doing this video. All right, so this is the Sony 50mm 1.4 Zeiss. This is a very good lens. Now this lens is currently being sold for $1,500 US, and to get this lens you would need 180,000 Jamaican dollars just to get this lens. All right. In addition to the cost of purchasing the lens, you would have to pay different costs, for example shipping and custom duty and so on. And one of the main reasons that I wanted to do this video is really to show Jamaicans and other persons internationally the cost of photography in Jamaica. All right. Good photography, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, if you're trying to get the professional stuff, the gear that will really make your work stand out, then that's the amount of money that you'll have to pay. Now, the reason why the figures appear, extremely large to purchase the equipment using Jamaican dollars, it's mainly because of our exchange rate in Jamaica. you know, the exchange rate for US dollars in Jamaica is about 120. It goes up to sometimes 130 or 40 dollars to one. So one US dollar in Jamaica is worth presently 100 and about $25 thereabout. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please leave a comment, you know, if I did a good job, you know, please let me know in the comment section below. If I did not answer all your questions, you can ask your questions down there as well. I'll answer as many questions as possible. And please, come back for more. Until next time.